As part of the Karnataka government's large-scale recruitment drive to fill vacancies in various wings of the state police department, the written examination for 3,991 civil police constable posts will be held on August 2nd. Home, Information Technology, Biotechnology and E-Governance Minister Priyank Kharge announced. In a post on social media platform X, the minister said the recruitment includes 3,395 posts under the residual parent cadre and 596 posts under the Kalyana Karnataka cadre. The Karnataka Examinations Authority will conduct the examination. Candidates under the residual parent cadre will appear for the test from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at 884 examination centers across the state. For the convenience of candidates from the Kalyana Karnataka region, the examination timing has been changed from the earlier scheduled 2:30 p.m. to 4 to 5:30 p.m. The examination for these candidates will be conducted at 186 examination centers. Extending his best wishes to all candidates, Minister Priyank Kharge said he hoped their hard work, confidence and preparation would lead to success. He advised candidates to reach their examination centers on time and appear for the test with confidence. He stated that the state government has taken all necessary measures to ensure the recruitment process is conducted in a transparent, fair and credible manner. He also made it clear that no malpractice or cheating would be tolerated during the examination. He warned that strict legal action would be taken against anyone found attempting to engage in malpractice. In addition, candidates found guilty of examination malpractice would face a permanent ban from participating in any future government recruitment examinations. Reiterating the government's commitment to ensuring justice for every candidate who has prepared honestly, Minister Priyank Kharge once again extended his best wishes to all candidates appearing for the Civil Police Constable written examination. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.